Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Jaguar. It's the F-Pace 2 litre portfolio, top of the range, in lovely condition, finished in frenzy Italian red, front park distance control, alloy wheels, tail slide panoramic roof. That's quite rare, they're usually just a fixed one. It's in lovely condition. It's got rear park distance control as well, 4-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, twin exhausts. Paintwork is absolutely popping, as you can see. Absolutely lovely condition. Electric tailgate. Interior's in lovely condition. Parcel shelf. Beautiful contrasting cream interior. It's even got heated rear seats. All in lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors, Meridian sound system, electric seats, no wear on the seat bolsters, Jaguar embossed headrests. It's done 64,893 miles. Just start the car up, it's as quiet as a mouse, it's lovely. There you go. Cruise control, paddle shift on the gearbox, multifunction steering wheel, first parking sensors with camera, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, media pack, different driving modes. So electric tilt side panoramic roof, that is quite a rare option, that is. Side here got AUX, USB, climate control, heated seats. At DJH, with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.